Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Tabella. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it and I'm so happy to have you here. And for my old subscriber, thank you so much for rocking with me this far. I really appreciate you all, guys. So in today's video, as you can see on the screen, it's about the two very intense smoothie and juice that you can help you to lose weight within 2 days. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I actually do the process, and it's very powerful, intense smoothie and juice that can help you to lose weight. I would suggest you guys to watch this video to the end so you can see all the process from the beginning to the end, and trust me, it's very powerful and it's gonna help you to lose weight. So without further ado, let's jump to the video. So our first ingredient is pineapple. I already cut my pineapple, so I'm gonna use like not half, but I'm gonna just take a little bit of pineapple. So pineapple is very good when it comes to lose weight, because the inside of pineapple has a very high enzyme properties that dissolve and break fat in your system. So it's really important that you use pineapple on this smoothie. It's gonna fit you in, and it's gonna fill you in, and your stomach won't need anything else after you eat or drink this smoothie. So pineapple is very important, and it's very good for weight loss. Our next ingredient is lemon, guys. So our next ingredient is lemon. So I'm gonna use one lemon for this fat burning smoothie and juice, because remember, we need to come up with enough fiber. So we're gonna get enough fiber from lemon. So I'm gonna use the whole lemon, just cut it in small pieces and put it aside. So if you're watching this video and you enjoy or you like already what you're seeing, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below, so I will know if you want to see more video like this, because guys, I can make more video like this and to show you how you can lose weight so we all can be healthy and stay healthy. So this is all is about, to stay healthy and maintain your body shape. So we're also going to be using cabbage. You really need a handful of cabbage, but as you can see, my cabbage is really big, so I'm cutting it off. Make sure you cut it small pieces. And when it comes to wash, guys, I already mentioned this on my video, that you need to make sure that you wash your vegetable very well. And what I use to wash my vegetable is white vinegar. So I'm gonna dump cabbage in the water with vinegar, as you can see, and leave it for a second while I'm preparing the other stuff. So our next ingredient is ginger. So ginger is very powerful ingredient in term of losing belly fat or any fat in your system. It really cleanses your system. It burns all the excessive fat, all the toxic in your stomach. So it's really powerful ingredient if you want to lose weight. So this, you need teaspoon of ginger to mix in this smoothie. So as you can see, I'm cutting it off, and I'll put it in a side, just like I made the rest of the ingredients. So this is our four ingredient that you need for this fat burning smoothie and juice. So please stick around and see how I will come up with the smoothie and the juice. So as you can see, now I'm gonna go ahead and mix all the ingredient together, and I'm gonna use 4 cups of water. So with all these four ingredients, the amount of the ingredient I have, I'm gonna use 4 cups of water. So now, as you can see, I am mixing the smoothie. Make sure that you
mix it very, very, very well. Yeah, so keep on watching and you see the result at the end. This is very powerful fat burning smoothie and juice that, guys, if you do this and you drink this once a day, in the morning and at nighttime, trust me, you're gonna lose weight like that. So after we finish blending our four ingredients, now we're gonna go ahead and strain all the juice out of from the fiber, because remember, we're gonna need the fiber for our smoothie, because this process actually, it's gonna help you to stay full, because fiber actually help you to stay full. You're not gonna feel hungry at all. So when you eat this or you drink this, you're gonna feel full because of the fiber. So this is what we're doing. So keep on watching and you will see at the end how I'm gonna come out with the juice and the fiber, because we're gonna add two more very important ingredient in our mixture, so you can stay full and lose weight at the same times. And guys, as you can see, that's my fiber that I'm gonna use as a smoothie. And guys, if you still watching this video and you enjoy what you're seeing, please go ahead, give me a thumbs up, share this video with friends and family so we all can stay healthy, and don't forget to subscribe for more video like this. So this is the juice. As you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my jar, and that's the juice that we're gonna drink and we're gonna use for this 2 days intense fat burning. So that's the juice that I collect, and it's just for 2 days. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add a half of banana inside on my my fiber. So because you need a sugar to give you energy, so that sugar in banana is gonna help you to give you that energy that you're gonna need. So the next ingredient, it's gonna be orange. So we're gonna add one orange because it's very soft and it helps you to soften all the fatness, all the, the toxic, all the food, the fast food that we eat. So orange actually is gonna soften that and it's gonna help you to lose weight faster. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and add that, and then we're gonna go and mix it all together. So in this part in particular, you're not gonna add any water at this point. You're just gonna go ahead and mix it by itself, and then after you mix it, voila, this is what you're gonna need for your 2 days intense fat burning. So you're gonna need the juice that you're gonna drink in the morning and at lunchtime, or you can have your smoothie. So the smoothie is actually is gonna help you to to keep you to stay full and don't feel like you want to eat anything, and it has 0 calorie whatsoever. So it really is gonna help you to lose weight, and the juice is gonna do its job to flushes all the toxics, all the beds stuff that you have in your system, to really clean your system thoroughly. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please share with friends and family so we all can stay healthy and maintain our body in a good shape. So here the juice, I'm gonna go ahead and drink my juice, and I'm gonna do this for 2 days as I mentioned. So yeah, the result is absolutely amazing, and it tastes very, very good. It has 0 calorie, like I said, and yeah, it's gonna help you to lose weight. So please share this video with friends and family, and I'll see you next time with my new video. Bye bye.